Hey guys, so tonight we're making chicken fajitas and we have a special guest in the kitchen.
It's my mom.
Hello.
Alright, Alright, start with the black beans. We're going to put them in a little saucepan. Nothing fancy here, just we're going to heat those up. A little garlic salt.
Onions, peppers. Okay.
She's cutting up the onions right now.
You're going to need tortillas.
You gotta have avocados.
Saute. Goes on everything. Montreal steak seasoning. Put a little bit on my veggies.
He is stirring now.
And the chicken.
All right, we preheated the oven to 375. I'm gonna lay out some tortillas on a baking sheet. We're gonna just heat them up.
Secret ingredient is, well, I guess it's not a secret anymore.
We have our toppings. We have sour cream. Well, sour cream. Salsa, avocado, and cheese.
He's smelling it around with a spoon.
Just stirring it around.
Yeah, stirring her around with a spoon.
Chicken bits are a little big, but
Yeah.
we'll make it work.
3, 2, 1.
All right, tortillas going in. I'm just breaking up the bigger chunks, just trying to get them down a little bit more manageable size. All right, tortillas are out.
She's adding the toppings to her burrito.
All right, I'm gonna finish. Hey everybody, easy made. You can do it in 15 minutes. Chicken fajitas on some tortillas. We're just gonna add our condiments that we like. Something simple. Sometimes simple is always best. Thanks for watching.
How's it taste? I guess, what's the rating out of 10? 10.
All right, I'm gonna make a mess. Here we go. Oh, that's good.
How much stars is it?
Stars.
Yeah.
10 stars.
Okay.